Hello everybody, in this video I will create the hard surface sculpting on this gorilla mesh, and I will continue sculpting on this model to get the robotic looks of this gorilla model. So please watch this video to the end, and thanks for watching my videos. I made some more details sculpting to the gorilla face to more look like gorilla, but I think it is not so important because I will change this to the robotic look gorilla. I use the crease brush to draw the edge of the plates and fill with clay strip brush. I use the stabilized brush stroke to get my drawing straight and smooth. In this sculpting process, I use the Dyntopo technique. So I adjust my viewport zoom level to adjust the resolution of the mesh. If I want to draw the details, I zoom in to close up the view and draw the line. If I don't need the high resolution, I zoom out a little bit and draw with the brush. In this shape area, I want the plates on the surface, so I draw the crease line by pressing Ctrl and fill with clay strip brush. At this time, I speed up the video 4 times. I usually start with the crease brush to draw the outline and adjust the depth and smoothness with the grab brush. Then I will fill the inner area with the clay strip brush. I will upload more video like this very often, so if you want to see more, please subscribe my channels and like the videos. Thanks you for watching my videos. Sometimes the brush affects unwanted areas, so I mask area I don't want. To mask the area, press Ctrl Shift and drag the mouse. Clear the mask by pressing Alt N. This time I use the paintbrush to get the edge sharp and smooth the outline. I add custom shortcut keys for changing the brush quickly. I use the number keys to change the brush. I use the scrub brush to polish the hard surface. Sometimes when you use the paintbrush, the edge will disappear. So in this case, you must redraw the edge with the crease brush. I use the crease brush and press Ctrl to invert the effect of the crease brush. The process is almost the same for every region. I start with the crease brush and fill with the clip strip brush, and if my drawing with the crease brush is not perfect, I will adjust with grab brush, and then finally I polish the surface with the scrap brush. I repeat this process again and again for every area.